Traders, I'm holding this gold opportunity, long opportunity, and why I was taking that trade. Let's talk about that. So the information what we have here, that's the first stronger holder what is respected to go higher. You can see here we have a break in structure, retest with a nice W here. We retest with the W structure and start going higher. Yeah, buddy. The nice, and then we have another break in structure, retest and start going higher. So and it was full extension movement, and that's the reason why my take profit is up here too. So the whole story what we was talking about previously, and now you have this movement close under and close above, so the whole this box. So if you take the manipulation out, the price is still here touching those wicks. You just have to let it go, this noise here. So the price is still retesting and price is still going higher. Soon as when the prices touch this area, price is going higher and break those highs here. And now we have the equal high here too. So today price is going here. And now we have the first time when the price is making the same pattern what is here. You can see we are bouncing. It's a W pattern. But you can see here it's in the trend. It's the same here, but this time if you're looking at the W high, if I take the entry point, if I look the W high here, you can see how the price is failing. Prices start tick 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 tick. So the principle is to go above, retest and start going higher. But what the price was doing, price was going down, retest the bottom again, break the structure, retest and start going higher. And so this pattern here was failing, and now price action is build a new pattern, and you can see here the same W is inside here too. And how we started, you can see how we break the structure, retest, we break the structure, retest and start going higher. And here's the same thing. You can see the same thing is here too. So for the holder, what we have here, we have break a structure and retest. That's the first principle, break the structure, retest and start going higher. But this one here, so for example, when the price is here, ding ding ding, and go above, retest and start going higher. So that's the bullish principle. If the price is above the holder or below the holder, and when the price is above, then the price is gonna go retest and start going higher. Both of those are the bullish ones. And here you can see we have a break in structure, retest, and here we can see how the price is retest and start going higher. So both of those are bullish ones. And currently trade is going, so let's see how it's going. For my entry, I have very simple entry here because it's scalp opportunity, and I was waiting retest top of this here. This was my entry. I was waiting retest this area. Take profit was already known. Entry and stop loss. It was this here. This top a little bit lower here. Yesterday I take some scalps Dow Jones. Currently holding currently holding still. I have 2 take profits. The first one is hit basically right now. But yesterday you can see what was happened previously here. You can see like that. Bounce, 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 and bounce. It's all pushing higher, 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 and it's holding super nicely this area here. And what was happened here? So the prices bomb inside here, getting rejection upsides, strong one, building a continuation pattern, and break the structure. Like we break all those lows here. Oh, sorry, highs, all those highs there. Break it, and price is pulling back on the 618. So price is pulling back to the 618. And you can see here you have a W here, and it start going higher, and respecting the principle, you have nice candlestick patterns inside here. Bullish candlestick pattern again, and prices start going higher, higher. So its meaning is going higher. So I add, because it was scalping, I add after this week, I add here, 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 and here I add those trades. My stop loss is there. Is my stop loss for all of those trades. So basically, if you that's my full take profit. Very bullish, everything going here. Just a little bit patient there. That's what the whale is doing. Ooh. That's a strong rejection here. Those wicks here, boom, 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 boom. And the candlestick, the bearish candlestick pattern, the last one is impulsive. So bright, if you look in these highs, when the price was retesting that area, we create a bearish pattern. You can see that it's an M pattern here. And other time when we touch it, look at that, we break the structure. There's pressure inside that holder. We break the structure and going all the way back here, and then poof, wow. Yes, it's a crazy moment. And the PTC. Yeah, those entries here, very good entries. That's what we talked yesterday, but here too you can see how the W is failing here. Go above, we fail the W and start breaking lower. Again, that's the bearish holder here. Again, break. For example, this is super good. This is super good scalping opportunity here. So price is creating the bearish holder. Price go back here, and you can see here we close above, and we have super nice retest. So and that's back to the lows, and you're trading back to the lows. stop loss might be. So, still pretty good. I love it. Nice capping opportunity. Beautiful principles, and it's all there. We have rejection, and then you have opportunity there. Super nice. And previously we failed the bullish pattern here. We have the bullish pattern and we fail, and we start pushing down, and again you can see we have another W here, and then we create the holder already. Bomb back. Another nice opportunity there. Then oof. So when we close this candlestick like this one here, that's a bearish candlestick pattern. But let's see. GJ is getting downside. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Failed again. We fail a W high. Continuation downside. Or above here you can see we have the W high. Price is stuck. Start pushing downside, and we have the continuation pattern downside too. Prices, and then bomb, break the lows, close above. And here you have another tweezer, and that's the bearish candlestick pattern too. 4 downsides. That's pretty awesome entry here. Close above, same time close, break the structure, close above, retest, and go back up there. Super awesome entry. Awesome entry. So this is already, yeah, this is already pushing higher. Those are the previous. Yeah, we have W here. So it is pushing already higher by the principle. W high, break above. A bit noisy here, and then we go again, break the structure, and now we have a retest and start going higher. And this was breaking the highs and the highs here too. That was pretty nice entry. Well, I'm gonna finish now. If you have some questions, leave in the comments. And yeah, we're gonna see next video tomorrow. Thank you and ciao.